And I hope you parents are watching the show because I am finding out so much tonight that I did not know previously. Anyway, for you guys, no, our friends here, paano nyo pinipili yung mga kakaibiganin ninyo? Mahirap kasi double, artista na nga kayo, tapos iba pa yung generation. So, from 2 points of view, ikaw, Rico.
For me, choosing your friends depends also on how you are to them. If you give a particular image na you are snobbish, na artista yan ang dating mo, you'll get the same. You'll attract the same crowd.
Kayo, Mylene, how do you, are you affected by peer pressure and how do you choose your friends?
How I choose my friends, basically it's feel. Like, it's like how you are to them and then how they react to that. And then if they accept you, then good. And if they don't, problema na nila yun.
Ang hinahanap mo rin sincerity.
Yes, basically.
Yun.
Because
So,
it's hard to
kailangan-
find, especially in our business, right? I mean, I'm sure you
the,
know.
The hardest, the most difficult thing to find in someone. Oo.
Yes.
Friends.
Ayan, si Mylene, ang best friends ni Mylene is sina Judy Ann, tapos si Jolina rin, di ba? Ngayon, si Jolina at saka si Judy Ann, pareho silang wholesome. We're not saying Mylene is not wholesome. It's just...
Feeling wholesome lang.
No, we're not saying... No, wait. We're not
Teka.
saying she isn't, but she's a bit unconventional.
Oh, yeah.
Because these kids live with their parents, you live alone,
Yeah.
di ba? They're more sarado magbihis, you're more daring because...
Sa skirt pa lang, unconventional na, oh.
kung ganyan din ang legs ko, di araw-araw nakaganyan din ako.
Ganun ba?
Hanggang dito, Miss Lit. Ikaw, Mylene, paano kayo naging close?
Well, kasi I'm older than them.
Mm.
So, syempre, talagang mangyayari niyan, magiging mas independent ako, kumbaga, mas ate yung dating ko sa kanila. Uy, ate! Ate Ninang! I don't know, because these Jolina and Julian, mukha lang huli yan, pero they're crazy people. And I like being with crazy people.
Pero good girls.
Yeah,
Good girls kayo.
Crazy
Oo.
good. Good crazy, whatever.
Fun crazy.
Yeah, fun crazy. Then.
Jolina, kayo naman, di ba, best friends kayo, no? Kasama niyo si Mylene at saka si Judy Ann. Pero talagang ang pinapag-away sa press, or siguro it just makes things more interesting, kayo ni Judy Ann, di ba? How has this affected you, lahat ng nagsusurround sa inyong intriga?
Well, actually, doon ko rin na-base na talagang yung pagkakaibigan namin ni Juday is talagang solid. Kasi, kumbaga, parang kahit na pinapag-away kami, hindi namin pina-apekto yung sarili namin and alam namin kasi na wala namang dapat pag-awayan at saka ginagawa lang yun eh. Tsaka si Mylene talaga yung kumbaga sa magkakaibigan naman kasi hindi naman pwedeng lahat na lang yan pare-pareho. Parang wala rin hindi magiging colorful. Kung pare-pareho kayong red, pare-pareho kayong pink. Dapat dyan may red, may white, may blue para...
Pero kailangan din may basic values kayo na
Yes, and-
you all believe in.
And
di ba?
ako, parang pag namimili ako ng kaibigan, tinitignan ko talaga. Kasi di ba meron nga sinasabi na tell me who your friends are, not tell you who you are.
Right, oo.
So, ganun.
That's true. Si Deether naman, mas comfortable ka daw na ang mga kaibigan mo out of show business at saka mga kasama mo sa business, sa labas. Tsaka, ano pang mga friends mo na hindi tiga showbiz?
Kasi yung mga set of friends ko na nakakasama ko palagi, sila yung mga matagal ko na nakasama. Kasi yung mga taga-showbiz, sila Rico, sila Mylene, sila yung pinaka-close ko na matagal ko na rin nakasama. Kasi showbiz parang ang hirap anuhin yung tao kung sincere ba o...
Ako rin. Konting-konti lang naging friends ko sa showbiz na
So, mas
kapwa-artista.
comfortable talaga ako yung mga non-showbiz friends ang kasama ko.
Pero
Ayun,
I think mas marami tayong friends than the artistas before. Kasi,
Oo.
di ba? Mas
Oo,
marami kami
nakikita ko.
magkakabarkada.
Si G, you go around naman, hindi puro artista ang kasama mo. Mga artists, mga painters, ganyan. Medyo related din, pero not quite, di ba? Not quite there.
Well, people think that these people I go around with, they were people when I met before showbiz. I was a model for like 6 years. So the people I used to see,
Yung
then-
pa rin.
Yung pa rin.
Ayun.
Oh, just commercial.
Commercial model.
Oo,
Paglilihan ko nga yan eh.
So parang ganon, you know, when I joined showbiz, nawala ako. Matagal akong nawala. Like, 1 year I wouldn't go out, 2 years, or I'd go out.
Because of your workload.
Yes, but every time, you know their friends where when miski gaano kayo katagal hindi nagkita, pag nagkita kayo, ganon pa
Yan
rin.
din ang gauge ko.
Oo.
Yan din. Na ganun pa rin, hindi nagbago. Di ba? Tapos si Bojo naman daw, chismis lang naman. Mas konti daw ang oras mo ngayon to hang out with your friends na mga lalaki because of Rika Paralejo.
Hindi, I found someone kasi na, alam mo, magkasundo. Pero recently lang, we're starting to to go out, most of us, like Rico, me, Marvin, sila. So, parang ngayon pa lang nag-start yun. Kasi parang, at first, when we're starting, all of us, parang more on, hindi naman competition, pero we're striving to be known kasi, and we're not enjoying each other's company. So right now, parang nung ginawa namin yung a certain... Hindi.
Yung pa rin
Hindi
yung
company.
Sabi nila sinasabi mo,
Hindi
Bojo.
plastic, not really enjoying. As in, hindi namin sinecherish yung magkakasama. Unlike now, pag nakikita kami, as in, dito kami nagkakaroon ng time para lumabas.
Alam
Tama
kami,
ba?
chinerish namin.
Wala. Ewan ko lang sa'yo. Pero ito, pagdating sa boyfriends at girlfriends, kunyari, yung ilan sa inyo merong girlfriends, yung iba may boyfriends, tapos kayo wala. Wala kayong, you're not in a relationship. Nai-insecure ba kayo?
Panalo kami.
Panalo. Pag wala. Bakit? Walang problema? Oo. Uso ba ang drugs sa generation ninyo?
So,
Kasi, ang
rampant.
na-notice ko, you tell me, am I correct when I say na mas conscious kayo sa health ninyo? Like, ang kumikita ngayon, yung mga spa.
Oo.
Diba, Bojo?
Yeah, yeah,
Hindi,
yeah.
sandali, hindi massage
Body
parlor,
spa.
ha?
Hindi, spa.
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 Kumikita sila.
Hindi sauna.
Hindi
Hindi sauna.
Sauna sa magandang spa.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Pero yung sauna ba, iba yun.
Ito yung sauna
Okay,
yung full
yung
sum.
mas you know the dangers of smoking now.
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
our generation
Although a
before,
lot
hindi
of
namin alam.
kids now, I think more kids now smoke.
More
Yes.
kids
More
smoke
kids
now?
now smoke. I mean,
Kasi ang
At a
akala
younger
ko,
age.
mas in pag hindi na.
Sometimes it falls down to peer pressure din.
sa America, because, you know, in California,
campaign.
they passed a law you couldn't smoke in any building.
Right, right.
You have to go outside.
Anti-smoke.
It's the government that, you know,
Rico, sobra ka
Hindi,
na.
tsaka majority puro babae. Mas maraming babae na nag-smoke kaysa sa lalaki ngayon.
Kesa sa lalaki.
alam mo, ikaw masyado kayo.
Siguro it's what our panel said kanina, that the Gen X now they want to be different, they choose to be different. It's why they choose to go to health clubs para may iba sila, and just the same they choose to get to drugs. Drugs now is
it's an
so
experimental
prevalent,
stage,
so
I think.
it's so.
Alam mo, kaya rin tinanong ko kanina kung marami kayong pera, itong generation na to. Kahit yung mga hindi artista
Oh no,
rin.
you don't really have to have money to
No,
take
because
drugs.
to go to a spa and work out and buy cigarettes, buy
and
you
do
know,
drugs.
alcohol.
No, I'm talking about drugs. I mean, it's everywhere.
Yeah, drugs.
Now?
You can
Yeah,
get
it's
it.
everywhere.
Are
I
there
think you
more
can get in the streets,
sophisticated
diba?
drugs
Yeah.
around now?
It's everywhere
A
around the
lot
world, I
more.
think.
Talaga?
Yeah. It's
Tingin
like
ko
everybody
sa
wants to go to
hulihin ko.
Amsterdam all of a sudden.
Nakaka-bother yun.
Yeah.
No, pero nga, it all boils down to how you bring up your child,
Oo.
yung school niya, kung
The
paano siya
environment.
Yeah, pero
the
it's so
group,
it's
the
that's why
friends.
people are saying now it's so hard to it's questionable to bring a kid into this world because it's so cruel
It's-
already.
It's a very nasty world nowadays.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, paano ho kaya sila mga kaibigan makipag-deal sa kanilang mga pamilya, yung parents, kapatid? Marami kaya silang mga pinagtatalunan or do they choose to be completely independent from them? May paki pa ba tayo sa ating mga minamahal na pamilya? Ang mga kasagutan when Sharon returns.